In this video we will have a look at Uniswap tokenomics and have a look how you claim the 400 Uni. Right, so welcome to my channel. Please make sure you do like this video and subscribe to get notifications when I be posting new content. So today we're going to be talking about Uniswap. They have done an airdrop recently and obviously pushed out their new token. So we need to have a look into that and what's happened with the airdrop. And if you have not claimed already, I'll show you the process on how you do it, just the basics to get you through it. So let's have a look on Binance Academy. Released an article of the day because Binance have also listed the token. It just gives you a good introduction to what it is. So we will read through this, and then we'll have a look at some tokenomics on CoinGecko after that. So Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol on Ethereum. If you do not know, the bloke who made it actually worked for Ethereum before, so he knows Ethereum inside out. And to be more precise, it is an automated liquidity pool. There is no order book or any centralized party required to make trades. Uniswap allows users to trade with intermediaries with high degree of decentralization and censorship resistance. It is basically an exchange, but you don't choose a price, you just pretty much swap one for one. So if you have Ethereum and you want to buy some Uniswap, you literally send a transaction through and it does it automatically, and automatically you get Uniswap in your wallet. It's a very good process. Currently it's a bit of a nightmare because Ethereum fees are out of this world. If you look, like, I think I tried doing a transaction the other day and it was like $90 when you could say last month you're talking about 50-60 cents to get a transaction through. So it has jumped up quite a lot. If we just jump across to CoinGecko here, we can see some of the tokenomics of Uniswap. So it is ticker UNI, which is Uni. It is currently ranked 50 out of all cryptocurrencies that are listed on CoinGecko. We have a maximum supply of 1 billion tokens. 60% of those tokens have been allocated to airdrop. So if you, like we said at the beginning of the video, if you did either use Uniswap to trade or provide liquidity before the 1st of September, then you will be eligible to claim the 400 tokens, which is currently worth around $2,000. We did get some good listings on the day it was released, so this coin is pumping currently. As you can see here, we have a 24-hour trading volume of just shy of $3 billion, which is absolutely mental. We have a market cap of $337.7 million. As you can see, obviously when we got listed we was $2.54. That was yesterday morning, I believe. And we've had a high of $5.80. Today we are around $5, so we've moved down a little bit, but not too much. If we just scroll down to the market pairs where we're getting traded the most, and you wouldn't expect it for a coin that had just been listed and just been produced. So look at all these. We already have at least 40 recognised pairs that are listed on here. As you can see, Binance is getting quite a bit of volume. Against Tether we're getting, you could call it 18%, and then against BTC we're getting a good 6% of the entire market volume. As you can see, we're on Coinbase Pro. We have just been listed on Coinbase, so if you are a Coinbase user, don't use it, then you can buy on there. The fees are extortionate, probably more than the Ethereum network at the minute, which is absolutely ridiculous. We are listed on Bialaxy, OKX, Bitfum, some really big exchanges. So this is straight out of his blocks, his projects, and it's going to be doing very well. Just jumping back to a Binance article here, it does tell you a step-by-step guide how to claim for a Uni. So if you have used Uni before, you are likely to claim 400 tokens per address that you use Uniswap with. So for example, I used 2 addresses on Uniswap. I provided liquidity on one address, and I also traded on another address, so I was available to get eligible to get 2 claims. So I managed to get 800 Uni, which is currently worth around $4,000 at today's price, which is mental. So first you go to this link here. I will drop this link in the description. You then connect your wallet you have previously used with Uniswap, and then click claim your tokens. But now we'll just show you actually on Uniswap how you actually do it, and you can see a hands-on guide on how you actually claim the tokens. Right, here we have the Uniswap exchange. Once you connect your wallet up here, you will get your address shown that you are connected. And what you need to do first is click on your address, copy your address here, then click the 3 dots at the top right, and you come down and click claim Uni. I have already previously claimed mine, so it will not allow me to do it, but you right click, paste, your address will come in here, and then you simply click claim Uni. What will happen then, if you are using MetaMask for example, a transaction will pop up on the right hand side here, and all you'll do is click confirm. It will give you an amount in Ethereum fees that you will have to pay. Unfortunately, it might be quite high. I think I paid around $21 when usually it's around $1, but it was definitely worth it because I managed to get 400 Uni, which is around $2,000. So no matter what the fees, as long as it's around $20-30, I think you should be good. But if it does jump up and it's saying around $100-200, then just wait a bit and reapply for it again. What happened then, once you confirmed it, it will come back here. You will click claim again, approve, and that will just automatically then send the funds to your wallet. If you have any issues with that, just drop me a message or a comment, or go on to my Twitter. My DMs are open, so just drop me a DM and I can give you an explanation on exactly how to do it. And just to finish up with this video, I'll just take a look at the chart. As in, Binance is getting predominantly most of the volume against Tether. We will just look at this. So we did open up at around 30 cents, which is absolutely crazy, and we shot up. I'm going to disregard that wick because it usually does wick up there. People bang some cheeky orders in and people take them, but it did trade down, and we traded from around $2.90 all the way up to what you could call that just short of $6, and we are starting to come down now. But long term, as long as Uniswap keeps getting used like it has been doing, like it's received the most volume of any exchange out there, especially with all the liquidity that people are providing for Uniswap. This could just keep growing and growing. So if you have not gotten it and you did not get in it on airdrop, then personally I think you should potentially buy some of this in. If you look down, I mean, I think you need to look at these levels here, some of the lows that we had around $2.40. I do think that we will push down to there, but you can't really tell with this data. It's like you're just completely guessing. What could happen is we could start to push up from here and we never see these levels ever again in its life. And we need to remember, a lot of people are going to be claiming this token over the next month and selling it. People will just happily buy and sell it straight away. I mean, personally, I've got my 400 now, and I'm going to keep it. I do think that this coin, long term, is going to be a good hold, as long as the Ethereum network sorts itself out. The fees are absolutely ridiculous currently. If the fees are sorted out, or if we end up moving to a different network, then and fees are reduced, and I do think this Uniswap protocol is going to be very widely used, and obviously if it's widely used, the price is going to shoot up. And with regards to a prediction, if it keeps going the way it is, this is easily a $10 coin. I think it's going to, we're currently set around $300-400 million in market cap, so that is definitely going to push up to $1 billion, 100%. We're getting $2.2 billion worth of 24-hour volume, which is absolutely insane. So the price is going to push up. We're on a little bit of a downtrend at the minute, but like I say, we've got zero data. It's been released a day and a half, 2 days, and anything can happen. I mean, we could dump right back down if everybody sells, but I think people are quite bullish about this project. So that will wrap it up for today's video. I can't do any technical analysis, but hopefully I will revisit this project probably next month. This time next month we'll have a solid month's worth of data, and we can see where we are, and we can do a bit of a more in-depth technical analysis. So that will do for today's video. Please make sure you do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.